Hi everybody, I'm making this recording to show you how to format your Works Cited page. I'm using a Mac and I'm using Microsoft Word on a Mac computer. So in some cases this is going to be different if you are using a PC and a Word on a PC. But the principles are the same. First and most important, you have to type in your entries in the Works Cited list and press enter only at the end of each entry. So for example, for John Gaudi's Avoiding Self-Organized Extinction toward the co-evolutionary economics of sustainability, this is the full entry. So remember, press enter only at the end of each entry and not somewhere in the middle or somewhere else. Once you have done that and you have typed in every source that you have, please select the sources. And then you can go in Word where it says Format if you are working on the top banner if you are working on a Mac. If you are working on a PC, you are looking for a small square somewhere in the middle of your home bar where it says paragraph. It says paragraph and then there's a small square. You click on that square. Once you have clicked on format on a Mac, you click on paragraph. If you click on the square, you will get to this particular window. It's the same in all cases. You will select, you make sure that the alignment is left. You make sure that the indentation is 0 and 0 before and after the text. You make sure that the spacing is 0 and 0 before and after the text. And you click Don't Add Space between paragraphs of the same style. The special indentation, however, should be hanging by 0.5. And if you look in the window here, it shows you. So I had no indentation. It looked like this. And now when I'm choosing hanging special indentation, you can see that there's a small space that's added under the author's last name. And then you can also click on line spacing. It should be double. So you click on it, and then your Works Cited list should look something like this. You still need to organize it in alphabetical order. Don't eliminate the fact that you've selected the whole text. As it is, go to A to Z. It's the same on Microsoft Word on a PC. You click on A to Z. You make sure that you have paragraphs, type text, and ascending. It's selected in most cases, but just make sure. Now header row, and then you click OK. And the computer organizes everything alphabetically, starting with the texts that do not have an author, because that's the correct order. You should start your Works Cited list with the texts that do not have an author. And then as you can see, all the others are organized alphabetically according to the last name of the author. Again, make sure that you press enter only at the end of each full MLA citation for each source. Otherwise, when you try to organize them in alphabetical order, the whole layout will be messed up. All right, I hope this is helpful.